Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to back up a Dropbox file. So let's get started. First, open your Dropbox account. Then tap on this icon on the top navigation bar, which is for Explore More Dropbox app. Then under Explore More section, tap on the Backup. Now here, tap on Manage Backup. Then open Backup Settings. Now to backup any of your files, simply tap on Enable Backup. Then choose the file that you want to save for the backup. But now let's say I want to save a file from the picture. Let's say this use case. So simply check this box, then tap on Save. And when that's done, tap on Setup. And now we're all set to go. To view a backup file, simply tap on this URL. And here it is, our backup file. This was the only image I checked to save for the backup, so only this image is here. You can check more files or the folder itself, then it will be saved for the backup. And guys, that was it. This is how you save your file for the backup. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.